Are you tired of settling for mediocre coffee at home? Say goodbye to coffee compromise and meet the Ninja Dual Brew Grounds and Pods Hot and Iced Coffee Maker, your new brewing partner in crime. In this review, we'll dive deep into why this versatile coffee maker is the key to unlocking a world of coffee possibilities right in your kitchen. The Ninja Dual Brew is all about giving you the power to brew your coffee exactly the way you like it. Whether you prefer classic, rich, or over-ice brews, this coffee maker has you covered. But what truly sets it apart is its dual coffee system. You can choose from 9 ground brew sizes, ranging from a single serve to a full carafe, and 4 pod brew sizes from 6 to 12 Oz. Say hello to coffee customization like never before. If you're an iced coffee aficionado, you're in for a treat. The Ninja Dual Brew brews fresh coffee over ice, ensuring that your iced coffee is flavorful and never watered down. No more settling for subpar iced coffee from the coffee shop. Now you can enjoy barista quality iced coffee in the comfort of your home. The Ninja Dual Brew is designed with your convenience in mind. It features delay brew and keeps warm functions, allowing you to wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and keep it warm for up to 4 hours. Behind the scenes, the thermal flavor extraction duo ensures that every cup is bursting with flavor. Whether you're using coffee grounds or pods, this technology delivers even saturation and precise temperature control for ultra-flavorful coffee. Cleaning up after your coffee-making adventure is a breeze with the Ninja Dual Brew. It comes with a clean function, dishwasher-safe parts, and a removable Ninja Pod adapter for easy deep cleaning. With your Ninja Dual Brew hot and iced coffee maker, you'll receive a paper filter kit, a 12-cup glass carafe, a Ninja Pod adapter, and a Ninja Smart Scoop, everything you need to kickstart your coffee journey. In conclusion, the Ninja Dual Brew Coffee Maker is a game-changer for coffee lovers. It offers unmatched brewing flexibility, the ability to craft perfect iced coffee, smart functions, advanced brewing technology, and effortless cleaning. Say goodbye to subpar coffee and hello to your perfect brew your way. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your coffee experience at home. Click the link below to make the Ninja Dual Brew a part of your daily coffee ritual.